That looks good, yeah?
Yeah.
I think that looks good.
No glare.
No glare, right? Cool.
3, 2, and 1.
What's good, you guys? It's Myricia La'Rease, and I'm back for another video. Today we're gonna be doing the apple cider vinegar rinse in my man's hair.
Hi guys, how are you?
This is Kendrick. Today we're gonna rinse his locks in apple cider vinegar, baking soda, and we don't have any lemon juice, but we're gonna do it with sea salt. Lemon juice, sorry, lemon juice. We're gonna soak his hair for 10 minutes at a time. We're gonna do it twice in a row. And you see, because he's had locks for 10 years and he has never ever had the apple cider vinegar rinse.
First one, you know, she's popping my apple cider vinegar cherry. Thank you for showing up, guys.
I'm excited to pop the cherry. Let's do it.
Let's do it. And shit.
If you like this video and it turns out to be helpful to you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below.
Subscribe!
I'm trying to get to 10K by Christmas Day, so if we can do that, it'd make me happy. They're hitting the ceiling.
If a paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far. So far, so far. If a paper crane can fly, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on.
Silent treatment in your cup, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard, now I'm just wondering where we are. I don't wanna this way. I know you don't want to stay. Dreamer out of space, keep rushing down the highway. Keep yourself busy on the Sundays. You keep doing you, I do it my way. Overthinking out there in the clouds, drifting on and then for hours. Lately I've been trying to figure out, wonder if you're ever coming down, ever coming down. Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh.
Hey guys, so we just got finished soaking twice, 10 minutes each. Originally we was gonna just do a rinse, but I was due for a retwist, so right at the second 10-minute rinse, I just washed and conditioned one time. Well, I'm sorry, I didn't shit. I just laid there, guys. I'm sorry. Your guys' content creator is the one who did all the washing and rinsing, and I do want to show everybody the final product. Again, guys, my hair weighs probably about 6.5 to maybe 7 pounds by itself, and it's long.
And it's heavy. But hopefully it won't be super duper heavy no more, right?
Hopefully it's not.
When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. All that time, oh, you get what I'm trying to say. 'Cause to you, I'm an open book.
We could leave them though. I'm really just getting the texture
I
shot.
understand I ain't even part of this video. It's my hair, bro.
Yeah. Just your head. Just your head. Flip it back for me,
No,
please.
it's wet.
Well, slowly, babe. Other way. I've seen your eyes. And like this part, you could see where it's still kind of some, but that's gonna rub out. Look, it rubbed out. That easy. It came out just in my hand. If you're interested to see how I retwist his hair, stay tuned for part 2. I'm about to retwist and style up these monsters. How you feel, babe? Today we're gonna be doing the apple cider vinegar rinse in my man's hair.
Hi guys, how are you?
This is Kendrick. My Drick.
Take 2. What are we doing?
My
Drick. Sorry guys, we're having technical difficulties. Please feel free to tip your waitress. Feel free to move around the cabin. Feel free to get up from the bus seat. Please enjoy these sounds from our greatest waiting gifts. Do you remember when we fell in love? Do you remember? Oh,
I'm sweating. I don't want the glare of the mirror in the back. Babe. Nothing.
I'm sorry, I hate being a thinker. I hate being a thinker, it hurts.
There you go. Put it up. There you go. Now unzoom it. Oh crap. Unzoom it.
Get out my face. Let me hold full. You can let me hold full.
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
Bro, fuck them R's, bro. Fold, nigga.
It's okay.
Sensible nigga. Hey guys. Now you don't know. How are you guys? Hold on, let me see something.
You're so handsome. You're so fine.
Ain't shit. My name is Kendrick. But you can call me Kendrick.
My name is Kendrick. You can call me Kendrick. That's gonna be funny. Okay. Your skin looks so good. Yeah.
Has that
Wrong
effect.
side of your my bad. Ooh, there we go.
Yeah, so.
It looks like my hair. Don't it? It really looks like my hair, look.